guys, it is Saturday and I wanted to show you what my bathroom looks like because it is not always going to look like this. You've seen my bathroom in other videos of when I've done some of my skincare and other vlogs, but my tub is being changed. So my bathroom looks pretty crazy right now, so let me show you that. Let me show you. So right now, this is what my tub looks like. So this is an old cast iron tub. As you can see, it has like a bump like there. It's not nice, so it's getting changed. Some of the tiles had to be removed in here, and that's the air from like the wall pushing that out. And this tub is going to be changed, and then the same tiles are going back up. It's just the fact that they had to be removed for all of this to get changed. So this is what it looks like now. And then once it is changed, I will show you. Right now, my bathroom is a little bit all over the place. Like there's the vanity has to come out. So this has to come out to make room for the tub to come out. And then we're going to cover over that. I think we're taking down the mirror. And then we're going to cover over the heat rod with the towels with something to protect it from dust. But that is what it looks like right now. And I have a bunch of stuff in my room. So from this eagle eye view, you can see all the bins from the bathroom are on the ground in my room because we needed to put them somewhere. So I'm going to show you what that looks like a bit later once the tub has been changed. We won't be able to use it, so we showered this morning. Yes, we covered over everything to make sure it doesn't get wet. And then we won't be able to use it until like the following day. And then the towels have to go in, and then that means again we won't be able to use the tub. But we'll be able to cover over everything in the meantime to protect it from moisture so that we can shower. Showering is important, guys. But yeah, I need to get a battery for this camera because it's literally about to die, but I will check in with you guys later. Check in with you guys again, like at a later date. You should see what this looks like right now. So now there's cardboard on the floor. The vanity is covered over. And the cardboard goes from the bathroom that I just taped all the way down to here. And this is to help protect the floor for when the tub comes in to not damage any type of, to damage the tile. So that's where we're at right now. So that's as far as we've gotten. I'm trying not to overly sweat because I already showered, but then I had to put down that flooring. So, oh, you can't even see me. And then I had to put down that flooring. So hopefully the guy's supposed to be here at 10:30. That might be him calling right now. And I will check in with you guys again to see what my bathroom looks like with the new tub that is going to be installed. This is what it looks like with no bathtub. That's crazy. Oh my god, look at that. That's nuts, eh? Wow. Hey guys, it's been a few hours since I last checked in with you. So the plumber is now gone. The tub is in. It was a whole fiasco to get that tub in. There's no towel yet, but you're also going to laugh because the valve to turn my shower on is now gone. So I'm going to have to use pliers to turn it on and off until the towels get installed. Let me show you what this looks like. So now, this is the tub installed. I already put the curtain back up. This is the tub installed. This is an acrylic tub. The film is actually still on it to protect it. And I put back up the plastic around here. So as you can see, there's no turn valve. This will have to be done using these to turn it on and off when we want to shower. That's the new Moen shower head that my mom picked. So it's kind of like a rain shower, and then this is actually magnetic. So it comes off like that, but it's magnetic. It was on when the plumber was testing it. So that's the new one there. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to use pliers to turn on and off my shower, which is going to be slightly hilarious just because that's just terrible. But my mom is gonna check to see if the Tyler Wesley can come tomorrow to actually not only rebuild and fix the wall, put the tiles back up. He would then have to come on Monday or Tuesday to grout. So this film will constantly have to go back up every single time to protect it, because you know you can't shower with anything exposed like that. So the only thing that has to be done now is the mirror has to go back on. I brought everything else in. Because I didn't have to do too much, I'm lucky that I showered this morning. So showering tomorrow is going to be interesting for me to go to work on Monday. So I'm not going to be showering Monday morning. I'm going to have to shower Sunday night so that I can be ready for Monday. But yeah, there's still a bunch of stuff in my room. So that hasn't been cleared up yet. But hopefully I will have like a functioning bathroom by the end of this coming week. So I will have to check in with you guys tomorrow. Okay. Hey guys, it's Sunday. The Tyler is not coming today because it's Sunday, so I don't expect them to. But hopefully, like I said, I think they're coming on Tuesday instead. So by the end of the week, I will have a fully functioning bathroom and I'll be able to show you the after. But what I wanted to show you was some of the stuff that I've gotten this month as well. So we're going to start. So I'm going to start with some of the things that I picked up clothing-wise. I got this cute, I got this cute little set from H&M. It's a black linen set. So I picked up the shorts. I have a couple pairs of these shorts. I think I've showed in a reel, I think, on Instagram. These are the exact same shorts. These are really nice though. They have pockets and they're linen. And then I got the matching linen resort shirt. I know people are like, why would you wear black in the summer? But it's fine. Maybe I could wear it like on a night out. I would wear this in the day. It doesn't matter. Linen to me is linen. So I really like that. And I will have all the stuff that I picked up linked down below for you guys. Also picked up another linen shirt because I love linen. It's a blue one. I already washed all these. That's why they're so wrinkly. This is super oversized. This is in a size medium. I'm really excited to wear this because I wanted another linen shirt. Like this is a linen shirt I'm wearing. This one is from ASOS. I do have a white one from H&M and then now I have a blue one. And then the short sleeve white one and now a short sleeve black. I think I have enough linen shirts to last me quite some time. I also picked up the Sigma and Samantha Ravndahl 8 Pro makeup brush set. I picked this up. This is the first time I've ever purchased from Sigma. So I was really, really excited. Plus I love Samantha. She's pretty awesome. I have them all here. I already washed all of them. I haven't used them yet though. But it comes with 8 brushes. So it comes with a detail brush. You see, this is what happens when you take stuff out of packages and then don't put them back. So this is the tapered contour brush. Honestly, it's really, really cool. It's really soft too. It's a tapered contour brush. The design is so nice. It kind of looks like it kind of goes this way. I think that's where the taper is, where you can go in to get that makeup on. So that is awesome. Then there is the fan brush. The fan brush is kind of unique in a way because it is thicker than most fan brushes. It's much thicker. And I like that because it's more tapered so you have more control, which I really, really like. And then we also have the Concealer Blend Kabuki. So this brush I'm really excited to use to blend out my concealer. Can you see that? The ferrule is actually really cool. So this is the Concealer Blend Kabuki. I am very excited to use this. Next up we have the Detail Shader Brush. Detail Shader Brush. I have very small eyes, so whenever I do any type of eye look, a lot of the time when my eyes are open, because my eyes are slightly hooded, you can't even really see it. So I'm really excited to kind of carve out that detail when I decide to do eyeshadow. This is the Detail Pencil Brush. Very different from most of my pencil brushes because this is tapered at the tip. So she was saying that you could use this to spot conceal, so that's going to be really exciting. Then I have next up the shader for the crease. Like I was just saying, I have such a petite crease that I feel like this is really going to get into there to allow me to really get that detail in so I can define and kind of like raise my crease a bit so that you can actually see the makeup looks. Then we also have the Detail Blender. Again, another kind of small blender brush, which I think is going to be great for those finer details. I actually like when brushes are like this because you have more control when you're doing your makeup. And last but not least, we have the Winged Liner Brush. This thing is so small. Do you see how tiny that is? This is going to be amazing for that detail when you're using gel liner to really flick. I feel like this is going to create such a sharp wing. The box that it came in, as well as the paper little compartments, they're all 100% recyclable. It actually came in this box, and then each brush came
in just like this recyclable brown paper. I kept it for this video so I could show you guys what I picked up. I haven't used the brushes yet, but when I do, you will know because I will show you. And then I picked up a few other things. So I used the Anastasia I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. I do find it a little bit challenging to use because sometimes I use too much, which is by accident. So I decided to pick up the NYX the brow glue. I decided to pick that up because I thought, why not? It's less product than the Anastasia one, but it does have this really, really cute brush, which I think could really help with getting those hairs to stand up. And then I picked up a new primer because I've been struggling to find a primer. I decided to pick up the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Primer. Alyssa Ashley spoke about this one since she said it was really good. It does have a matte finish. I'm very oily. I like to put the glow back after I've made my skin kind of even and less oily looking. So this is going to be exciting. And then I picked up the new MAC mascara, the Macstack. I picked up the first one. So this is the original. So this is supposed to be used for your upper lashes. Put this somewhere. I'm going to get black everywhere. This one, you're supposed to be able to layer the mascara on. So I'm excited to try that. But then they also had a micro version, which is, they said, good for your lower lashes. So it says micro brush. And this is supposed to be used on lower lashes because the brush is actually much smaller than the other one. So it's not as thick. So I'm really excited for that. I don't always wear false lashes. You guys have seen me in some from Glamnetic, which are really good. And I've been using my corner accent lashes from Ardell, which are nice, but I'm really excited to see what this does for my lashes so that I don't have to always wear like the wingtip. Any falsies I wear, by the way, are always on the outer corner just to add some like upsweep motion because my eyes are slightly downturned. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up. Oh my God. I just wanted to kind of show you guys everything that I picked up recently. You can like see the blue light glare in my glasses from what I got. So yeah, that's it. And I'm actually going to show you what I'm wearing as well because I actually really like this outfit that I have on. So give me a second here. So this is my Sunday fit. I'm wearing bike shorts from H&M. They're like these ribbed high-waisted bike shorts. I'm wearing the white Sculpt Knit tank from Aritzia. I do need to pick up another one of these because I find that since I've worn it so much, it's not as white as it used to be. And then of course my oversized linen shirt from ASOS. And then the same slides I always have on. So this is my Sunday outfit, which I really, really like. Very comfortable, very easy to wear. It's beautiful weather, as you can see from like the glare outside with the trees. If you can even see that. It's really nice outside today, so that's what I'm wearing. My little outfit. My little outfit. Since I last updated you on what was going on with my bathroom, I am pleased to say the tub is in after a fiasco that I mentioned before. And the bathroom is almost put back together, but not everything is done. But I'm going to show you what the bathroom looks like now. 1 second. Okay, so this is what we are working with. The new tub, oh, door's in the way, new tub. And it is more streamlined than it was before. And now you guys can actually really see the inside. The tiling has been done. The grout of this tiling was sealed. So it's very nice. And then of course, the Moen shower head that I showed you guys before. It looks so good in there. And then we have, oh hello, it's me. And then we have pretty much almost everything back together. So I'm trying to show you. This bathroom is quite small, but you know, everything is nice and dusted. That is from West Elm. And then we're just gonna go down. Everything has been cleaned, so it looks really good. That's the heat rail, all that stuff. So this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good, right? So we got rid of the shower caddy that went over the original like shower head. Instead, we opted for some no-nail adhesive shells. We're going to be putting these in. You use an adhesive that it comes with and you spread it out. and then you're able to pop these into the corner. So we're going to put them into the back corner. I'll link these down below. They are from Amazon. Got them in a brushed silver. And the cool thing I like about them is that they come with like hooks. You can nail these in, by the way. So they do come with the wall plugs and the screws if you wanted to drill in. We're doing the no nail version, which I really like. They are corner shells, so we're going to pop these into the corner. They have to set for 72 hours, and then I'll be able to put my shampoo, my conditioner, and all the body stuff on there. It only comes in a 2-pack. They reach on them for $32 on Amazon. They're on sale right now as I'm making this video for $23, so I will link those down below if you guys want to check them out and look up some of that. I'm also going to insert a few pictures of some other stuff that we're getting. So we are getting an adhesive soap dish that will stick onto the tiles, as well as an adhesive towel holder to put onto the side for the paper towel for when you dry your hands in the bathroom. And we're also going to do all that in either a chrome or like a brushed silver finish, depending on which ones we find. But yeah, that is the bathroom update. I'm probably going to show you us installing these shelves, or show you what the shelves look like after they've been installed and when they've been styled.